Hello and welcome to the part 2 of the WIN-911 mobile configuration. This is the advanced setup. So real quick, just to clarify what this advanced video is really for, part 1 of the video just explains how to set everything else up from scratch if your WIN-911 machine has internet access. What this second video is for is to explain if that WIN-911 machine is on your plant network, as you can see here in this architecture diagram. If it does not have internet access, you need to have internet access to use the mobile app. And so we set up here is the mobile hub piece of software that's going to be elsewhere in the network, in the DMZ, somewhere on the business network that does have internet access. And basically, you're just pointing the WIN-911 machine over to the mobile hub, essentially like a proxy, and it handles the outbound based connections to the Azure cloud service for this to work. And then it takes the info back from the cloud and sends it back to WIN-911. So to get this hub installed, there is a little piece of software called the mobilehub.exe. It is inside your support folder with the default installation media. So after you download WIN-911, you open up the folder, and inside the support folder, you can see mobile_hub.exe. And you just want to pull this executable from this machine, copy and paste it over to the machine that's going to be running the hub software in your DMZ, or the machine that has internet access. One important note is that machine you're going to be using as the mobile hub must have Microsoft .NET 4.8 installed. All right, so the install is pretty straightforward. You put in the username and password. This is the same account, must be the same account as your WIN-911 installation. So whatever you use to do the installation of the WIN-911 software, it's what all of the services run as. It's the same account here. So if it is not added as a local account on this machine, go ahead and add it through your local users and groups, and make sure it is a member of the local administrator group as well. Once you add the account here, again, do the host name / username, or if you're on a domain / username. This installer will not take the period / just to put in the host name. So you have to actually type it in, and then the password. And then you just click next, go through the setup. At the very end, it'll have a window saying you successfully installed, and click finish. All right, so now you can see on the left here that the new application is now installed. You don't really have to do anything with it. There's no other configuration changes required. It does install the software, but as you can see on the bottom right, all it does is open it up and show the connected sites. So let's say that you have 3 different WIN-911 sites installed in your network, and you're pointing them all at the hub. It'll just list them here, but that's all this does. You don't really have to configure anything else here unless you want to change the default port, which is 59111. You can see that also in the mobile hub configuration screen. Okay, so the hub configuration. You open up your workspace for WIN-911, open up Contact Gateways WIN-911 Mobile, and you just check the box to enable the mobile hub. You throw in the IP address or the host name of the machine that you just installed the hub on, and then you can click Validate Credentials. That's it, just pointing at it. So I'll show you that real quick in a demo. So I have 2 VMs up right now. This is the machine that I'm running my hub on, and over here is my WIN-911. So all you have to do, again, open up your workspace, go to Contact Gateways, WIN-911 Mobile. You should already have the account info set up from the previous video. You click on the Enable checkbox, put in the IP address or the host name of the machine running hub, and validate credentials. That's it.